Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ronisha, and I'm here with this soft date night look, or an everyday look in my case. Let's get into it. First, I'm going to start off with my Max Off Ochre paint pot, and I'm going to use this on my eyelids. I'm using a BH cosmetic brush. I don't know the number of the brush, so I'll leave it down in the description bar. But I'm going to put this all over my lid, and then I'm going to go into the Morphe Dare to Create palette. I'm going to use the shade Define Me in Transitional. And yeah, I'm going to use the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to add Define Me first and then Transitional, and then I'm going to go into some other shades and we'll get to those in a second. Then I'm going to go into the shades Frame and the shade Slice, and I'm going to add those into my crease and to the outer part of my eye. And I'm still using the Morphe M433 brush. I just took a napkin or a paper towel and just wiped it off on there. And I'm just going to use those shades Frame and Slice. And I need to make a correction. On the transition colors, I did not use the shade Transitional. I used the shade Evolve. And that's the one right next to Define Me. Sorry. To cut my crease, I'm going to use my MAC Prolong Wear Concealer in NC15, and I'm going to use a double-sided Urban Decay brush that came out of one of my Naked palettes. I love those brushes. A lot of people don't like using the brushes that come in the palettes, but I feel like they all have some use. They can be used for something, and I like this brush. Once the crease is all cut out, I'm going to pat the outer corners just to make sure that the outer corner is not a harsh line right there. And then I'm going to pat all over the lid. And after that's nice and even, I'm going to go into the shade Frame and the shade Slice, and I'm going to add those to the outer corners of my eye. I'm going to take the shade Bare, and I'm going to place this on my eyelid, setting that not the Max Off Ochre, but the MAC Prolong Wear Concealer in place with the shade Bare out of that Dare to Create palette. And then I'm going to go back in and blend that outer corner, which I use Slice and the shade Frame. So I felt like I was losing some of that brown shade. I took the shade Slice with a little bit of Frame, and I outlined the crease area to bring that brown and to soften up that crease a little bit. Now I'm going to take my Inglot gel liner, and I made myself a wing, and now I'm finishing up my bottom lash line, and I use the shades Slice, Fame, and the shade Evolve. And I just place those all on the bottom lash line. I finished the rest of my face off camera because I didn't think it was necessary to do it all on camera. But I'm gonna take my highlighting palette. This is the Sleek highlighting palette, and this is the Cleopatra's Kiss one, and I'm just going to pop this on my cheeks. This is like one of my favorites and one of my go-tos. For lips, I'm going to line my lips with a brown lip liner, and I think this one is from NYX, and it's in the shade Brown. I'm going to take a Dose of Colors lipstick in a shade Playdate, and I'm going to pop this in the centers and blot my lips or smash my lips together to make sure that the liner and the lipstick merges together and blends. taking the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsup High Shine lipstick in the shade Flirt Alert. I'm going to pop this over that lipstick just to give it a little more, yeah. Now I'm popping some of that highlighter into the inner corners of my eyes just to open up the eyes a little bit. After curling my hair and adding my baby hairs, yes, y'all, we made it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy this because I think it's very nice and soft and everyday wearable. If you like it, give me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, you guys, take care.